Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to stop notification on your Snapchat app. So if you want to disable notification on your Snapchat app, you need to open your Snapchat app, and here you need to click on the left side corner profile icon. Now this type of interface will be open, and here lots of option will be given, but you need to select the setting option at the top right corner, and here you need to scroll down and click on the notification center. Now you can see that there are lots of notification setting will be given. You can control everything like Bitmoji notification, story notification, friend suggestion, mention, etc. You can also control like vibration, sound, ringing, etc. So you can control everything with this. You need to just click on that. If you want to disable all notification, click on that. Now all notification will be disabled. I hope this guide was helpful, and you will be able to off notification of your Snapchat app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabet